Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about EK's new EK-Quantum InWin 977EK PC case. So friend, EK is proudly announcing the launch of the latest water cooling focused PC case made in collaboration with InWin. And friend, the new EK-Quantum InWin 977EK was engineered from scratch with water cooling and ease of use in mind. It's premium quality PC case that can accommodate two 420 mm radiator and has dedicated mounts for pumps, reservoirs, and combo units and offers the ultimate user-friendly experience for custom loop liquid cooling enthusiasts. It is crafted from a single robust price of 4 mm thick, high quality brushed aluminium, and the outer shell of this PC case proudly embodies the iconic InWin aesthetic and brand. Both the top and the bottom part of the PC case utilize removable dust filters and rigid mounts that slide out the back of the case by loosening only 4 screws from the back panel. The power supply mount also slide out the case, the same time acting as a pump, reservoir, or combo unit mount, and it supports tubular-style combo units like EK-Quantum Kinetic TBE 300 and flat side unit, such as the EK-Quantum Kinetic FLT 420, and the dedicated cutout for a rear-mounted mouse lets you install a flat-style combo unit directly without using standoffs. And friend, the mounting slots on the rear mounting frames are centered. You can swap between 120 and 140 mm type radiators, and ports will still be positioned the same. And friend, if I talk about the price, it is available in black and silver color option and price at 799.90 euro. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.